Gray? Oh, push your bumper around. Oh, push your bumper. Okay. Hi, Grayson. Hi. Go, Grayson. Grayson's 1.5 years old now. Woohoo! 18 months. How you doing, Gray? What you got there? Oh no. Let's keep this down. Oh, what do you have there? Oh, the Dark Knight? Yeah? Do you like Batman? Yeah, you like Batman? Oh, Batman's awesome. Right, Grayson? Oh, you're putting it back? Good boy. Oh, these are all Daddy's video games and movies. Grayson likes them a lot. Right? You like Xbox? What do we have here? Ah, Mercenaries. Daddy's. Yes, that's Daddy's video games. Daddy's video games. Yep. You reading? Grayson. Hi, Gray. Hey, kiddo. How you doing, bud?